Hey friends, welcome back to David's Cane Machines channel, and today we are going to make the sugarcane blueberry smoothie. Yesterday I juiced out into this ice tray and I put the blueberries together with the cane, and what I'm going to do is teach you how to mix them together and put in some coconut milk and make the most delicious smoothie. All natural ingredients, friends. Coming up now on David's Cane Machines. Okay, what you do is you take out your ice cubes with your frozen blueberries that are on the inside, and what I want you to do is to take your pack of frozen blueberries, or if you have fresh ones, freeze them, okay, and then put them in your pitcher. All right, I want you to put an ample amount in your pitcher. Okay, you see that? All right, now what I want you to do is to juice out sugarcane juice onto your blueberries. Very simple. For this recipe, I like to use peeled sugarcane, but you can use unpeeled sugarcane or peeled sugarcane. It doesn't matter. It's just that the color comes out a little better if you use peeled sugarcane. All right. Mighty Mini is very easy to operate. It has these instructions here. Just turn it on and put your cane in, and then it's hands-free after that. Okay. All right. So now it's juicing out onto the blueberries. Look at that. Look how much juice just from one small piece of sugar cane. All right. And see when it comes out the back. I want you guys to see how powerful this Mighty Mini is. Friends, this is a very efficient sugarcane machine. Look how dry that is. Dry as a bone. All the juice is out. There is no juice left at all. Okay, and this is very small machine. You can put it on your kitchen counter. Very easy to make all these recipes. All right, now let's continue with the blueberry sugarcane smoothie. Okay, now take your cane juice cubes and put it in your blender. I have some left from the previous, and I didn't want to waste it, so I have some from the plain Slurpee I made. Okay, put these in there. All right. And what you'll do is you'll blend it up, and then you'll add more a little bit later, okay? So blend your cubes first. Okay, now you will blend your cubes, all right? These are blueberry infused sugarcane cubes. All right, blend it in there. Okay, if you have a pulsating blender, it'll be easier. My little simple blender here is not a pulsating, so what you want to do is take and help get the sugar cane infused blueberry cubes and push them down. Okay, all right, very simple. Put those down because it gets really icy at first. All right, blend some more. Okay, now what I want you to do is to add the cane juice with the frozen blueberries. All right, add that to your mix here. Now we're going to get that blueberry color big time. All right, so those frozen blueberries are going in along with the cane juice. All right, now let's blend it all up. You'll see the color turns a brilliant, almost grape color. Look at that color. Oh yeah! All right, now the magic. Yeah. You want to make sure that it's icy, okay? But you don't want to blend it too much. Okay? You want to make sure that it's icy, but don't blend it too much because the blender makes heat, all right? And it'll become too watery. All right? Now, what you do to make the smoothie, you can add almond milk. I'm going to use coconut cream, all right, because I like that really thick smoothie flavor. All right, you can add coconut cream, and there's a lot of ways you can do it. I'm going to mix it in the blender, but you can actually just pour it, you know, where you have those swirls on the top, and you can let your customers do it with their own spoon, you know. Or you can give them the cream in a bowl separately and let them add as they wish. All right, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, here is the coconut cream. It's just very important that the coconut cream that you use, you don't want to have the sugar like condensed coconut cream. You want to have the coconut milk cream that is thick and unsweetened because the cane juice is already sweetened. All right, let's pour it in. All right, put in an ample amount. I put in, this is serving for about 2 people. I put in around a half can, and this is a 160 ml can. All right, so about, I put in 80 ml. Mix it up one more time. Look at that color. All right, just a little, friends. You want to maintain that ice. All right. The blueberry sugarcane smoothie. Give it a try here. Blueberries, 100% cane juice with coconut cream, coconut milk cream. Oh, man, friends, I know many of you, you're watching this, you're saying, David, you're torturing me. Look at the color of that, all natural, 100% natural ingredients, and friends, no processed sugar at all, all right? Wow. All right, this is how you make it, all right? You will put blueberries mixed in with cane cubes, okay? Freeze them up overnight or about 4 hours. Then what you'll do is you'll put them in your blender. You will juice out sugarcane onto frozen blueberries, okay? Juice out the sugarcane juice onto frozen blueberries, just a little bit. Okay, it makes a concentrated blend to keep that color, all right? Then put it in your blender and blend. Blend it up, add some coconut cream. You can add almond milk if you don't have coconut cream, or soya milk or hemp milk or any healthy milk that you like to make that smoothie aftertaste, blueberry cane juice in. Amazing. Cheers to your health, friends.